Hello, salam, namaste you guys. Here I am with another Glamego video. Yeah, let's start with this month's Glamego box. So this is a January month's Glamego box. Basically this is an old box. What this month's Glamego, what did they sent you the old boxes they had. They didn't design a new one especially for January. So but that's okay. I didn't receive this one before, so yeah. But the products inside are all same, like all of the people got same products in the box. Glamego is a monthly subscription box, and you know all the drill. If you don't know, I'll put it in the description box below. But it's one of the best worth product when it comes to beauty subscription boxes, because you just get 4 or 5 products worth rupees like 1200, 1300. I think this month's box contains worth rupees 1200, but it just costs rupees 399 per month. How affordable is that? So I think you should definitely go for subscription boxes like this, and especially Glamego, because this way you can save your money as well and you get multiple stuffs to try. So yeah, let's start what I have got in this month's box. The first thing is the card which has all the details, and OMG, when I just opened the box and the smell is like total of coconut. And I can see there are coconut body lotions in here. It is of brand Palmer's. There are 2 tubes out here. I think these are sample products. It has 24 hours moisture, which I think is a good. It smells exactly like coconut. So it also says it has no paraben, no mineral oil, no gluten and sulfates, no dyes. The second thing is this Bella Hoste High Definition Foundation. It's hydrating, filling and enhancing with hyaluronic acid. So yeah, it's formulated in Italy. It contains 30 ml of the product, and the original MRP is rupees 699, but I got in this month's box, so yeah, it's way affordable. So they asked me in the mail which foundation shade you want. There are 3 foundation shades, so I chose the 03 Malibu June or Dune, D-U-N-E. I don't know how it's pronounced. So yeah, let's open and see how it looks. So the packaging is quite nice. It's a 30 ml of the product. I think this will work. I think, is this too dark for my skin tone? No, I have to try and then I'll see. Okay, when I just opened and it leaked, like you can see. So yeah, this is the second stuff that is in this box. The third thing is this Health with Activated Charcoal and Purifying Peel Off Mask. I have bought from Nykaa before. I have used this. This is one of the best charcoal peel off masks, but it hurts a lot. So if you are a person who can bear the pain, then you can definitely try this one out. So this exactly removes all the dirt of your nose and all the area like you have blackheads or you have whiteheads. This removes totally. I was about to buy a new one, but I got in this month's box. So yeah, this is very useful. So if you are looking for any charcoal peel off mask, you should definitely go for this one. Last item in this month's box is the Sisa Ayurvedic hair oil. So I haven't tried it before. I was thinking to try this one. I've heard of good reviews about it, so I'm super excited to try this one out. It helps in dandruff and leaves and headache, mental stress and bacterial and fungal infections. I am very lazy when it comes to hair wash, and because of that I get lot of dandruff. So I'll have to try this one and then I'll share my reviews on Insta story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go check out. My ID is sassy_Neetu. You will also find the link in the description bar below. And I think these month's box is quite useful. This is my first video in this new year, so a very happy new year to all of you. Make sure be a better version of yourself this year. Don't expect too much from yourself, guys, because I think if you will do like force yourself, and if you will take different kind of pressure, so you won't be able to do anything. Just you will having some mental stress, and that will always pull you down. So just try to be calm down sometimes, sit and relax. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.